In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok login with Facebook 5 minutes. If your TikTok login keeps failing when you try Facebook, this walkthrough will get you signed in safely and quickly. We'll use TikTok's official website so you can clearly see each screen and understand what's happening behind the scenes. First, open your browser and head to tiktok.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your internet connection is stable. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Safari or Edge helps avoid unexpected sign-in issues. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button. On desktop, it's usually in the top right. On mobile browsers, you may need to open the menu to find it. Click login to open TikTok's sign-in panel. From the available options, choose continue with Facebook. This is TikTok's secure single sign-on path that lets Facebook verify your identity. Selecting this option will open a small window or a new tab for Facebook. If nothing appears, your browser might be blocking pop-ups, so check for a small pop-up icon near your address bar and allow it for this site. Now you'll be on the Facebook screen. If you're already signed into Facebook in your browser, you'll see a continue as prompt with your profile. If that's the correct account linked to your TikTok, click continue. If you're not signed in yet, enter your Facebook email or phone and your password, then proceed. Only enter this information on Facebook's official page. Never share credentials anywhere else. After Facebook verifies you, you may see a brief permissions prompt confirming that TikTok can access your basic profile to complete the login. This is required for the connection to work, so click continue. You'll be redirected back to TikTok automatically. Finally, confirm the login or continue action on TikTok if prompted. You should now be signed in with your Facebook linked account. If you're taken back to the homepage without errors, that means it worked. A few quick tips if things don't go as planned. Make sure you're using the same Facebook account that's linked to your TikTok. Mismatched accounts won't sign you in. Keep only one TikTok tab open to avoid session conflicts. If the Facebook window spins but never returns, close it and try again once. Also, ensuring your device's date and time are correct can prevent authentication hiccups. That's it, you've used the official continue with Facebook path to fix your TikTok login. If this helped, follow along for more simple fixes like this one.